Hello everyone, welcome back to our main section of free initiative. This is Santosh Koka. Already we have completed successfully TGPSC Group 1 mains examinations. So let's focus on UPSC, APPSC, TGPSC mains point of view. So today's APPSC Group 1 English medium classes have been started. Our services including digital classrooms, time-bound completion of syllabus, state level test series, updated study material and monthly current affairs magazine. For more information you can call these numbers. So let's check today's important question for 30th October 2024. Analyze the significance of the cloud chamber being established under Mission Mausham and its potential impact on India's climate research and maritime studies. So already we have discussed so many questions regarding geography, right? Almost 106 videos till now we have completed, right? So this video is 107th video, right? From today onwards we will focus on combined syllabus of UPSC and also APPSC, TGPSC, right? So let's focus everyone. So whoever preparing for APPSC or UPSC or TGPSC mains point of view, let's focus on how to write good answers and how to enrich your answer writing, right? So subject geography. So already we are discussing number of questions by using 3 steps formula, best technique. Question reading within 1 minute we need to identify different question tags and keywords, etc., right? So here analyze is the question tag, right? How many parts are there? Here only single part is there, but in between so many keywords are there, right? So question tag is analyze. Analyze means so many keywords were addressed in the recent TGPSC mains point of view, right? So here analyze means we need to focus on some important facts or examples or important reports, etc., right? So otherwise sometimes we need to give some both positives and negatives like kind, right? So here the topic is Mission Mausham, right? Very important, Mission Mausham. So recently seen in the news regarding cloud chamber opening, established the first of its kind cloud chamber, right? So here the important keyword is significance. Significance is the important keyword here, right? First important keyword. Other than that, potential impact on India's climate research and maritime studies, right? We need to focus on this particular second keyword. After that we need to give some challenges and also needed measures here, right? So before conclusion itself. Next one, we need to focus on brainstorming. Within 1 minute we need to identify or we need to recall different keywords related to our topic. What is the topic? Mission Mausham. Here we need to give some Mission Mausham, when it was started, right? Very much important, some background, and also we need to focus on this cloud chamber, right? What is cloud chamber? Also we need to give some information, right? So recent current affairs issues or examples are important institutions or each and every report related, right? So otherwise in between while writing our significance part we can include some IPCC reports, right? Otherwise we can include some important ecosystem related or otherwise Indian Ocean Rim Association 2023 report also we have seen recently, right? So World Meteorological Organization report also we can include, right? So these type of examples need to be included here and there to justify our answer or our points here, right? So let's start our today's introduction part here. So we need to focus on providing some current affairs. First of all, current affairs introduction here, right? We need to focus on providing first of all current affairs introduction. We can begin with the recent developments. For example, where India established recently first of its kind cloud chamber at IITM, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology under Mission Mausham, right? So where it is in Pune, right? So this is information. This information is enough to start with a current affairs introduction. And also next we need to focus on starting static or background topic here. Background means here we can check or we can start with Mission Mausham background, established when it was established, when it was launched 2000 14, right? Very much important. Initially it was focused on reviving maritime cultural ties across the Indian Oceans. That is the main. We can give some establishment here, and also we can provide some aim. Simply we can write the background part, right? So next, otherwise we can give some cloud chamber definition also here. What is cloud chamber here? Because this is very important term, right? So without writing this particular definition of cloud chamber, we can't complete our answer, especially, right? So all these are introduction part only here. Next, coming to body part, here we need to focus on our significance part, right? So while writing significance part, we can briefly explain weather research. First thing, weather research, it can be used for weather research, right? We can explain how the cloud chamber aids in controlled experiments on cloud formation, especially, right? Cloud formation, how can we can explain experiments on cloud formation, or enhancing the accuracy of monsoon forecast, especially, right? Very important thing regarding our geography part, right? Here we can cite our important report, IPCC report of 2023, which emphasized the need for better monsoon predictions to reduce climate related risks in especially South Asia, right? So very much important here, right? So otherwise, second important significance part, we can provide important information related to some particular India's role in climate science, right? Especially we can provide World Meteorological Organization report, right? So especially to enhance regional climate prediction models, right? These are also very important, right? Here we can point out how this facility positions India as a leader in tropical meteorology, increasing our global collaborations, right? Whatever we have global contacts or cooperation with other countries, especially Indian Ocean region, right? So this is the significance part. Next, we can connect our impact, especially second important keyword is potential impact, right? Here impact is the very much important keyword we need to address in the second part, right? So here we can discuss the relevance of the cloud chamber in understanding how weather patterns influence the ocean navigation here, right? Ocean navigation, and also whatever we have coastal ecosystems, right? We have maritime security, right? Maritime security, all these are important information we can include, we can discuss these type of information here, right? So here we can connect our reference to especially Indian Ocean, we have Rim Association report 2023, right here. So which highlights the role of weather data in improving maritime safety and trade resilience, right? So these type of reports will edge our marks here, right, compared to other aspects, right? So otherwise we can provide some important challenges here. Whatever we have challenges, right, other than these important keywords significance and potential impact, we can also add some challenges before concluding, right? So challenges, and for the challenges we need to provide some solutions also. Here regarding challenges, we can provide data scarcity, right? We have data scarcity, right? Because we can discuss how limited real-time data from Indian Ocean affects the accuracy of weather models here, right? For example, we have the World Bank report 2023 is there. It identified this data gap especially as a key issue in climate risk management, right? Very important report. So otherwise, other challenge we can include here technical and also financial constraints we have, right? That is also very important here. We can mention that such advanced research requires substantial funding and cutting edge technology, which may be resource heavy here, right? So for example, here global climate risk index we can add here, which highlighted the financial burden on developing countries, especially in scaling up climate research, right? So otherwise we can also add as a challenge regional cooperation also missing here, right? Regional cooperation is also one important challenge We can explain how geopolitical issues may hinder collaboration on data sharing with neighboring Indian Ocean countries, right? Geopolitical issues we have, right? So that is very important. Here we can add 2023, whatever we have, Indo-Pacific Climate Conference stressed mainly on importance of regional cooperation for effective climate research, right? So these are the challenges part. Otherwise, finally, before conclusion, we can add some measures. As a upcoming civil servants, we need to provide some important solutions to the problems, right? First important thing is we need to improve data collection, especially, right? Data collection is very important to lack the problems, right? We can suggest enhancing satellite based ocean and weather monitoring system. Whatever we have, satellite based ocean and weather monitoring systems, right? Very, very important for better data accuracy and resolution, right? So otherwise we need to focus on boosting regional collaboration, right? That is also very important here because we have such challenge, right? So just we need to rewrite the sentences here as we are writing needed measures here, solutions part, right? So here we can propose strengthening partnerships with whatever we have, Indian Ocean countries, very, very important, right? So to share data and research for more effective outcomes, right? Otherwise we can also add some sustainable funding also very important, right? So we need to secure sustainable funding here. Here we can recommend securing long-term funding from the government one side, or other side we can also secure from our funding from our international organizations like we have World Bank or etc., right, to support continuous research and technological upgrades, right? So all these are necessary, need to include here. Finally, in the conclusion part, we can add some we can conclude by stating that India's new cloud chamber under whatever we have mission Mausam, right? So here strengthening its position, India's position in global climate science, especially these type of keywords also very important to write such a beautiful conclusions here, right? So otherwise we can also mention the potential to lead climate resilience efforts. This is also very important, climate resilience efforts whatever India is doing, right? So in the region by providing critical insights into monsoon and also oceanic weather patterns, right? So these are very important, very, very important. Here we are talking about especially talking about climatic change events, right? We can connect sustainable development goal 13 also, right? Very suitable or relevant goal here, right? So this is the perfect structure and approach according to the demand of the question, right? So we need to follow this type of structure or approach. Let's take today's answer written by our Vidyasagar. Recently, cloud chamber system was approved by Indian government and Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune, under Mission Mausam. Very, very good recent current affairs issue. Next, Mission Mausam, here he separately included one flowchart here under Ministry of Earth Sciences, total outlay, and also what is the aim also included, implemented by which institutions and all, right? Cloud chamber also here included, right? So next, coming to first important keyword, he has addressed here significance of cloud chamber. It's a cylindrical or tubular drum system used for cloud physics research, especially weather phenomenon studying or creating cloud inside the chamber via connective process. Very good. Convective process, very important, right? So weather forecasting also very important significance part here, capability and weather forecasting and analyzing it, right? So using cloud seeding are also very important here, cloud dissipation. Good terms, geographical terms are very important here. Otherwise, benefits for different sectors like agriculture industries through its simulation model make India weather ready and climate smart also, right? So impact on India's climate research and maritime studies, promoting research in the fields of climatology will be used for developing our advanced weather forecasting equipments, thermal imaging and systems, Doppler and radars with special profilers, wind profilers also, very good. So helps to identify critical hotspot areas where infrastructure was necessary. So northeast states, especially examples also included. Very good. Himalayan states, Western Ghats, etc. New approach to forecasting through last mile prediction also included. Gram Panchayat level weather forecasting system, e-Gram Swaraj app also included. Here we need to focus on certain whatever concerns regarding local level also regarding climatic effects or disaster management issues, right? So better understanding about cyclone formations by analyzing maritime conditions in Bay of Bengal especially, right? So and also can be used for early warning systems in critical hotspots, whatever we have fishermen and to study rise in mean sea level also, very good terms and geographical terms and important examples also included here, right? Challenges, complexity in weather phenomenon is one challenge, poor infrastructure also, right? Otherwise we have low forecast capability, we need to improve that. Rapidly changing weather phenomenon due to GHD and global warming also included, very good. So way forward, institutional mechanism or coordination need to increase, and also R&D capabilities also very important here. Proper information disposed through early warning systems also need to care of it, right? So finally, as 14.6% of India's land area is prone to floods, therefore need to strengthen mitigation measures and strive for SDG 13. That is, we are just providing sustainable development goals numbers on, right? We need to write these what is related to it, right? So please focus on that. So otherwise everything okay here. He has added something regarding important issues, recent updates, and also institutions, all reports or important facts, right? Each and everything was included here. So one thing missed regarding whatever we are talking about, especially Mission Mausham, means we can add some India map and providing some weather patterns or something we can add, because we are writing for geography paper, right? So here we can add some diagram regarding map or monsoon pattern, something, right? So that is that was only missed here, remaining all very good. So here for this answer we can give 6 out of 10 marks, very good, very good, and good improvement. Or let's start or let's continue our phase, right? So phase of writing, answer writing, because APPSC group 1 examinations also will be coming, right, very nearby, right? So UPSC also coming very soon, and also TCPSC students also need to be focused on how to write how to start with particular our answer writing. Everybody is very minute about this particular answer writing, how to write, or very they are in dilemma, especially in how to write good answers and all, right? So please focus on that. Next day, main Shikshna question for 31st October 2024, that is day 108. What are the key provisions of the section 479 of the Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Sanhita 2023, and how does its implementation aim to provide relief to 100 trial prisoners in India? Subject related to polity, that is regarding our UPSC, APPS and TCPSC, right? Very important. So let's write your answer and upload in the AKS app. Thank you very much. All the very best.